As the clock struck midnight, a chilling wind rattled the windows of the old Victorian mansion. The air inside was thick with an eerie silence that seemed to swallow any sound. The only thing louder than the beating of my heart was the creaking of the floorboards beneath me as I cautiously stepped into the dilapidated hallway. I had heard the legends about the scary room that had plagued the mansion for decades. The room was said to be cursed, a place where the veil between the living and the dead was thin. Some claimed to have heard whispers and footsteps in the dead of night, while others swore they had seen shadows moving on their own. Determined to prove the skeptics wrong, my friends and I decided to spend the night in the mansion, armed with flashlights and nerves of steel. We crept through the darkened halls, searching for the infamous scary room. The mansion seemed to groan in protest as we explored its hidden corners, as if warning us to turn back. After what felt like an eternity, we stumbled upon a door at the end of a narrow corridor. The wood was warped and cracked, and the handle felt icy to the touch. As we cautiously turned the knob, the door creaked open, revealing a room cloaked in darkness. Our flashlights flickered as we entered the room, revealing dusty furniture draped in tattered sheets. The air felt heavy, and an unsettling feeling settled over us. We nervously exchanged glances, the gravity of the situation sinking in. This was the scary room. As the minutes ticked by, the atmosphere grew more oppressive. Shadows danced on the walls, and the air seemed to pulse with an otherworldly energy. We huddled together, our breaths forming misty clouds in the cold air. Suddenly a low, guttural growl echoed through the room, freezing us in place. Panic set in as we scanned the room with our flashlights, trying to make sense of the unseen threat. The temperature dropped, and our breaths became visible puffs of white in the frigid air. Then, from the darkest corner of the room, a figure emerged, a ghostly apparition with hollow eyes and a tattered gown floated towards us. A collective gasp escaped our lips as the ghostly figure raised its hand, pointing towards the door. It was a silent command to leave. Terrified, we stumbled over each other, scrambling to escape the room. The door slammed shut behind us with a deafening thud, leaving us breathless in the hallway. The mansion seemed to groan again, as if sighing in relief that we had heeded the warning. As we stumbled out into the moonlit night, we knew that the scary room was no mere legend. It was a place where the supernatural and the living coexisted, a room that held secrets and horrors beyond our understanding. And as we looked back at the mansion, its windows seemed to glow with a spectral light, as if the spirits within were watching, waiting for the next curious soul to venture into the darkness.